Ever wondered how much that extra charge is when you use Neon Pay? It's a common question, and today, we're diving deep to answer it. Neon Pay, a popular digital payment platform, offers a seamless way to transact online. However, like many other payment services, it comes with a processing fee. This fee, while often small, can accumulate, especially for frequent users. Understanding processing fees. But what exactly is a processing fee? It's a charge levied by the payment processor to cover the costs involved in processing transactions. This includes things like transaction costs, fees charged by the payment networks, like Visa, MasterCard, for each transaction. Currency conversion fees. If you're making international payments, there's a fee for converting your currency. Chargeback fees, a penalty imposed if a customer disputes a charge. Security fees, costs associated with ensuring the security of your transactions. Neon Pay's processing fees. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How much does Neon Pay charge? The short answer, Neon Pay's processing fees can vary depending on several factors, including transaction type, whether it's a purchase, a transfer, or a bill payment. Transaction amount, larger transactions might incur higher fees. Currency, international transactions often have additional fees. Payment method, credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. The long answer. To get a precise figure, it's best to consult Neon Pay's official website or their customer support. They can provide you with the most up-to-date information tailored to your specific needs. Tips to minimize processing fees. While you can't completely eliminate processing fees, here are a few tips to minimize them. Use Neon Pay's preferred payment methods. Some payment methods might have lower fees than others. Consolidate transactions. Combine multiple small transactions into a single larger one to reduce overall fees. Choose the right currency. If you're making international payments, consider using a currency that's widely accepted to avoid conversion fees. Be aware of peak times. Avoid making transactions during peak hours, as fees might be higher. Check for promotions and discounts. Keep an eye out for any special offers or discounts that can help you save. While Neon Pay offers a convenient way to make payments, it's essential to be aware of the associated processing fees. By understanding the factors that influence these fees and implementing the tips we've discussed, you can optimize your transactions and minimize costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.